Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. There is a proverb in English: all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It means what? It tells us the importance of rest, importance of relaxation. If we keep on working without rest, what happens? We won't be able to work more. Our work will slow down. There is a story of the person who used to cut the trees. There were two men, Mr. A and Mr. B. They were given the work of cutting the trees. A used to cut 5 trees. He used to sharpen his axe, take little bit rest, and again start. B used to cut continuously. He never used to take rest. At the end of the day, who had cut the more trees? It was A. Even after taking rest after cutting 5 trees, he had cut more trees than B, who was continuously working. So what this short story tells us, that how rest is needed. Rest, it can be even a nap. Nap means a short sleep. Because of this nap, you may become fresh. Even students, those who are studying, they should not keep on studying continuously. What they should do is, after 1 hour, they should take 5 minutes gap. Like this, it should go on. And it is said that a 20-minute nap improves memory retention. And that is why even we people, whether we are students or whether we are working, we should take some rest in between. In the same way, we should enjoy our leisure, because it brings balance of work. Otherwise, what happens if you work and work and work? There will be a lot of stress. At the same time, many people opt for change of work as rest. Change of work means what? There is some kind of work which you can do relaxing. So, or your interesting work where you don't feel tired, then you can change your work. So, change of your work can be change of your work. It means rest. Change of work can be, it may get you rest. That is why why we are having the vacations, even for those who are working or even for students. All of us are having vacations. Vacations are particularly important, and we really need these vacations. Whenever possible, take 2 weeks off rather than just 1 week. A common observation that people make is that they really do not start to relax properly until the end of their first week of vacation. That is why when you take 2 weeks vacation, second week at least you can enjoy. Make sure that you take your vacations and that you use them to relax. Why we should have? We should have this for relaxation. Also make sure that you get enough of good quality of rest during the week so that you can keep on enjoying life at its fullest. So when you are stressed, anxious, we can often find it difficult to get to sleep as thoughts keep whistling through our heads, stopping us from relaxing. Then what we should do? Then we should make sure that you stop doing mentally demanding work several hours before going to bed, thus giving your brain time to calm down before you sleep. Apart from that, even we should stop watching our mobile or any gadgets before 2 hours of going to bed. Try reading a calming or understanding book because it helps you a lot. Write persistent thoughts and worries down in a notebook and then put them out of your mind. Review the notebook in the morning and take action of appropriate. If appropriate, you have to take action. Keep the same bedtime. Let your body and mind get used to a predictable routine. Otherwise, what happens? If we change our bedtime, you are knowing even our body clock will be disturbed. That is why we should go to bed at a definite time and cut back the caffeine and alcohol. Some people find that they sleep badly if they drink coffee or cola after 4 p.m. Others find that if they drink alcohol to excess, they wake up in the middle of the night and cannot get back to sleep. If you are still having trouble getting to sleep, meditation, yoga or yoga nidra will help you a lot. Now, apart from this, what is the action plan? What we should do to get some rest, to make ourselves feel fresh? Take 2 20-minute naps every day. Nap means short sleep. Choose restful activity after lunch. Schedule an hour of silence every day, that is meditation. Make your bedroom dark and quiet so that it will help you to sleep. And don't use, even if you are using the curtains and all, you should use green sky color curtains and all. It helps us to get good sleep. Because if we don't get good sleep, we won't be fresh the next day. We won't be able to work well. And you are knowing rest is very, very important. Because it is only when we rest, we feel fresh. That is why some of the companies are giving 3 days off. Some are giving 2 days off. Otherwise, in olden days, we used to have only 1 day off. That was Sunday. But nowadays, they have found that 1 day is not enough. That is why they give weekend holidays for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday both. So, if we take good rest, then we can work more fast and in a better manner as the person who used to cut the trees after taking rest and after sharpening his axe. So rest is very, very important. Have a good day.